What if you could click on one button and one button only, watch a very simple film, and earn $5? Now, what if you could like, comment on a video and make another dollar? And what if you could do all of these tasks on your mobile phone using only a few minutes of your day and earn real money online over and over again? Doesn't that sound amazing? I know you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about. So to know what I'm talking about, make sure that you search. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, there are a lot of payout methods for today's strategy. You can use Paytm, PayPal, cryptocurrency, and of course, a bank transfer. I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to complete a free account on this brand new website that no one is talking about yet. And if you watch it to the very end, I'm even going to give you a bit of a bonus tip that's going to help you earn an additional $50 daily without doing any work. Now let's jump into the video. Make sure you watch it to the very end because this is completely brand new, and let's check it out. Now, our website, or the website that we're talking about today, is called paidtowork.com. Okay, paidwork.com. Now, I want you to look at this. As you can see, there are 5 different ways that you can earn money on this website. You can browse through different websites, watch different videos and advertisements, and you can leave an engagement on social media, which means that all you have to do is like, share videos to actually earn money. Now, let's say you have a video like this one, for example. You can watch it for a couple of seconds, and in return, you're going to get paid. If you want to earn some more bonus money, you can like the video by clicking the like button, leaving a comment down below, subscribing to the channel, and then you're going to make money from that as well on this website in particular. Now, next, we can also complete simple surveys, simple and perfect for beginners. And I'm going to give you a few examples in a bit. And also, lastly, you can just, set up a fresh and simple account for completely free and sign up, and you're going to receive even bonus money just from that. So make sure you don't miss out on the amazing bonus surprises that I'll be revealing towards the end of today's video. That's going to help you make an additional $50 daily. Now, as you can see on the homepage, you can do this on any device, on your phone, your computer, your tablet, and you can start making money online. And rest assured, it's available everywhere around the world, no requirement for any type of investment. So again, this is basically how it works, okay? Step number 1 is to select a method of earning, and there are a ton of ways to make money on this website. You can choose from any of the 5 methods that I have mentioned. Step number 2 is that you're going to start, doing these tasks. And step number 3, you're going to start working on the jobs that you're going to receive. And step number 4, they're going to send you payment every time that you reach their payment threshold. And with the brand new website, you're being able to get payments daily within 24 hours. Now, to register for a completely free account, you're going to click on the registration icon on the top part. This is going to take you to this page where you can log into your brand new account by entering in your email address, your password, and then clicking on next. And then on your dashboard, you're going to find your estimated earnings. And since this is a brand new account, you're going to see $0 because you haven't finished any jobs yet. But don't worry, as soon as you start making money, it's going to appear in your dashboard. So make sure you verify your email account. So you're going to look for that in your email inbox, and then you're just going to make sure you activate your account to start making some money. If you guys want to earn even more money online, up to $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there. So if you guys want to earn even more money online daily, make sure you check our description box down below. Also, comment down below where you're from and what devices you use, and also tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. The next thing you're gonna want to do is click on the earn button over here on the left, and this is gonna take you to a page where you're gonna be able to choose from a ton of different methods. So you're gonna see here the first, the second, the third, fourth, and the fifth method that I actually just mentioned. So this is obviously super interesting, and I'm going to show you the first method, which is to earn money by browsing websites, videos, and advertisements. Now, to do this, you're going to click on the green Start Earning button, which is then going to take you to this page. From here, you can then begin browsing through different advertisements to start making money. Now, if you click on the Earn button, a new window is going to show up. As you can see here, now, don't worry about it because you're going to be able to complete this on a computer or a mobile device. And as you can see, you have to browse through this page until the timer goes off. It's then going to take you only a few seconds, and all you have to do is browse across the website. Don't just stay on the page so that they won't think you're a bot and they'll actually believe that you're a human. So make sure that you actually, move around the page and all of that so that it will be detected and credited. Now, if you want to pause the advertisement, you can click on the pause button over here. And if you want to close the advertisement, all you have to do is close the button and it'll stop the advertisement. Now, as soon as the timer expires, they're going to credit that money into your account. And as you can see, they're also going to be giving you the name of the website and show you the earnings. And as you can see, doing that is going to stop the advertisement, but it will waste your time and result in you not receiving any payment. So you have to make sure you avoid that mistake and make sure to keep watching the video until the very end of the timer. And I'm going to show you another example. Sometimes when you click on the earn button, you're then going to be taken to random YouTube videos like this one over here. All you have to do is click on the play button to start watching the video, and you're going to have to do that until the timer will expire because again, you're not going to get paid any money. Now, second example is leave engagement on social media. Now, to be able to access this page where you can leave multiple engagement on various social media sites, all you have to do is click on the earn button below. You're going to see here that there are a ton of options and things that you can actually do and carry out to be able to make some money online. For example, you can watch videos on YouTube, subscribe to different YouTube channels, and like videos. On Instagram, you can follow other users, leave likes on Facebook. Now, all of these things are very simple tasks anybody can do without any knowledge by just clicking on the links. Now, let's say when you click on this button, YouTube views, it'll take you to a random YouTube video, and all you have to do is click on the play button to start watching the video. You can click on the gear settings to change the quality of the video to a lower setting over here, like 144p, so the video will play faster and you can save data and internet on your internet connection. If you want to make even more money, make sure that you go onto the video, like the video. You can also click on the share button, which will then show you a YouTube URL link. Now, all you have to do is click the copy button to share the video on all other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all these other social media platforms. You can receive more money by leaving those engagements. There are a ton of different ways to get money, like writing comments or reviews, completing surveys, making multiple accounts, and signing up for other people's newsletters. All of this is going to pay you. Now, let's say I click on this button to fill out surveys, which is then going to take me to this page where then I am going to be able to perform surveys on Google Forms, Fullfish, SurveyMonkey, and get paid, around $2 to $3 for every single survey that I complete. This is super duper easy, super duper simple, and it can be done in your extra free time. You can download it easily, the software on your smartphone right now. For example, if you go visit the Google Play Store, you're going to look for the app with the name Paid to Work, and then you're going to download that app. You can start earning right away, and just by watching videos and doing all of that stuff. Again, I'm going to show you where you can earn money by watching videos as well towards the end. But first, I'm going to show you a bonus method on this website. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing and commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. Now let's continue. As you can see, all you have to do is refer a friend to this website to receive additional 12%
income. Now all you have to do is copy your exclusive referral link from this website and share them with other people to start earning an additional bonus income stream. Now, like I mentioned and promised, I'm going to show you a bonus website for today, which is going to earn you $50 additionally per day. You can go onto Coinbase.com. Once you get to the homepage, you're going to click on the button that says Earn Crypto. Doing so is going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to earn cryptocurrency. Earn free money while learning about cryptocurrency. They're going to show you a ton of tutorials, free courses, and videos, and they're going to pay you more money for each one of them that you're going to view. I'm going to give you a very short and quick example using Band Protocol right now. You can just click on this button to begin the course, and then it's going to take you to this page. You're going to scroll down to see more beginner lessons, which are all free as well. And then that's going to teach you about cryptocurrency and also let you earn money by simply watching videos. By simply inviting your friends, you can watch this 1 minute video and earn $2. You can keep doing this over and over again, and then eventually make an additional $50 using this strategy. Once you finish with this category, you can just come back, view further courses, repeat the entire process, and keep earning money unlimitedly. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.